Hey, how's it going? My name is Matt Schaefer, and I'm a shop foreman at a local Buick GMC store here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I received my Idash today from Banks. Just want to say a huge thank you to them. Top-notch customer service, great group of guys. I just driving with my Idash, just installed it, and actually my truck's doing a regen. This unit is really awesome. There's just tons and tons of information. One thing I just want to share with you guys is a lot of people ask about regens. You can see that my DPF soot level's at 100%, and my truck is actually doing a regen right now. A lot of guys are like, oh, what about my indirect injector? Is it working? Is it squirting diesel fuel? Well, this is a good way you can check. Just keep an eye on that engine exhaust temperature sensor, number 4, the bottom parameter. While you're driving around, you want to see at least 1,000 degrees. It might take a while for it to climb, but 1,000 degrees. 1100 is ideal to really start burning off some of that soot. But if you see 12 to 1300, that's no big deal. Everything's working great. Yeah, Banks really knocked it out of the park with this one. Really tons of information in it. These are mostly the parameters I look at. Just nice to see, you know, that DPF and that number 4 injector, make sure it's working. Number 4 temperature sensor, make sure that indirect injector is working. I just also keep an eye on that engine temperature 1. I don't really beat on my truck too much, but sometimes if I tow something a little too heavy, it's nice just keep an eye on that, make sure it's not getting too high. The boost is just a fun feature to look at when you're out messing around. It's very interesting looking at the engine coolant temperature sensor, because that's actually live data, unlike your dash. GM puts a little filter in it, they call it, just so it doesn't fluctuate like crazy, just keeps it kind of at 210 when everything's working great. But just kind of cool to see if that temperature climbs, if need be a little bit, you know, your gauge isn't going to react, but you'll actually see it on your Idash. But yeah, Banks, this thing is awesome. it's a suction cup. Sorry I'm driving, it's jerky. I just sucked it right to my dash, but it's really solid. If I have to move it to my windshield, I will. No big deal. But if you guys don't have one and you're interested in what your truck's doing, highly recommend this Idash. Very impressed by it. Have a good one.